What's up, guys? Good to see you again. We are about to head out to a holiday that I booked a few months ago, and Christiana has no idea.
No idea at all. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're doing, but I'm excited, and we've packed our bags and we've got lots of yummy food and we're ready to go.
Yeah, it's going to be really exciting. And something else that I haven't mentioned is that Christiana is going to have to wear this blindfolded, so she has no idea, and we can see her reaction when we get to this place.
When do I have to put it on?
Straight away, right now.
For the whole time?
The whole time.
That means I can't read in the car. No! That's gonna be so boring. Okay.
Let's go. I'll go around and get her because she's got a blindfold on, so I need to help her out. Okay. 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 Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. You can take off your blindfold now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Woo. Cool! Awesome!
What do you think?
Just readjusting to the light.
Yeah, it's a bit different when you've got a blindfold on all the time.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a little bit of a belated birthday and anniversary gift. 4 years together. What do you think?
It's very good.
Awesome. All right, we're gonna get settled in and then we'll do the tour.
Look at this beautiful chocolate. Looks so yummy. And a little note.
I'm not one for the cold, but there's something about snuggling up with a nice coffee and checking out an amazing sunrise. So it's our first full day here, and we're gonna go somewhere special because we're up on the Sunshine Coast in the hinterland, and I have my favorite bakery that I want to show you guys later today. So stick around for that because we're gonna head up there very soon. We just went into Kenilworth Bakery and it was amazing. My favorite bakery on the Sunshine Coast without a doubt. What do you reckon?
Yeah, love it. We've been there a couple times and always delivers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today we got, so the flavors we got was, Jose got a caramel one, which was nice and creamy. And then I got a Belgian chocolate donut.
Yeah, that was nice and moussey and yeah, chocolate overload when you go to this place, but it's definitely well worth it. Just don't get too many, and they do this massive 1 kilo donut challenge, which I believe I noticed one person finished it. I think it's on YouTube somewhere in 2 minutes.
What?
It's ridiculous. There's no way I could do that. That's like food coma. Yeah.
Yeah, so after our donuts, we just went for a little wander around and went to the op shop and had a look there. And what are we doing now?
So now we're going to head off to Cairn Cross, which is not too far from Maleny. It's pretty much right in the heart of Maleny, actually. And then we're going to head back home to the Airbnb.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Also, something I forgot to mention is I tried out the coffee in the donut at the Kenilworth Bakery. I've seen this on their Instagram page and I've seen people try it and all this, and I was really keen to get one for myself. And I thought one thing with that is, wouldn't it soak through the donut? Like, because donuts are not really that strong, like it's really just dough. But something that's interesting is they coat it with Nutella. So it's like a little Nutella cup inside the donut, so it doesn't really seep through into the actual dough. So that was really interesting and so tasty. If you go to Kenilworth Bakery, you've got to try one of those coffee donuts, definitely. So we're almost at the it's either Cairn Cross or Cairn Cross. I don't know how to say it properly. Christiana, we've just stopped to get her some drinks. She likes her cocktails. And then we're going to head off to Cairn Cross.
Didn't get a cocktail, but I got a lovely rosé. Just completed a walk here at Cairn Cross Reserve through the beautiful rainforest, and some information for you all, because I taught a rainforest unit for 2 years to many year 3 students. The layers of the rainforest, I don't know if you know, but there are about 3 or 4 distinct layers. There's the forest floor with all the leaf litter, there's the understory, which is like the main part of it, then there's the canopy, and finally the emergent layer. So there you go, you can whip those out whenever you need some fun facts about rainforests.
It is our last full day here in this beautiful area of Maleny, and we don't really have a plan for today. I think we're going to go into Maleny and maybe just explore around a little bit, maybe go to the Maleny cheese, and then maybe go for a little rainforest walk. But yeah, we don't really have much of a plan, so just going to relax and just take it all in out here and admire this beautiful space.
We're just here in Gardner Falls in Maleny. We've never been here before, but apparently it's a bit of a local favourite. We've already seen how beautiful and clear the water is, so we're keen to go for a little wander and check it out a bit more. So come along with us.
Well, that is the end of our trip here in Maleny. We've had such an amazing time, and we're just chilling out by the fire tonight, and yeah, just gonna relax and enjoy our last moments here before we mourn leaving tomorrow morning. But yeah, we've had a great time.
Yeah, we've really loved staying here. It's been such a beautiful escape and just a chance to get away and just enjoy the fresh air and the nature, and hearing the bird sounds has been so lovely. The hosts have been amazing. They honestly went above and beyond with the fresh sourdough and the juice, and just making sure we had enough firewood, and it was, they were really, really welcoming. So would definitely recommend this place if you're looking for a little rainforesty sort of escape. We'll put the link down below so you can have a look yourself if you want to.
Definitely.
And maybe you could come stay here too.
Yeah, definitely. Great spot. All right, well, that's the end of our video here. Make sure you like and subscribe just below here, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.